Hey guys, it's Lisa from WTI, and we have a new addition to our Squishmallow family here at home. We have Cameron the cat, and this is a 5-year anniversary collector's edition that we have acquired. I love how adorable he is. He's like a calico cat, but he's got the tie-dye for the patchwork on this. It's got this little multicolored tail and the little sweet kitty face in front with the whiskers and the little pink nose. This is Cameron. This is a large plushie from Kelly Toy Squishmallow. All the quality is there that you expect. He's so squishable and so sweet. We had to have it. This is Cameron, the calico cat from Kelly Toy Squishmallow. And that is my point of view.